my name is Sarah Michelle. I like to talk thrifting, sustainable swaps, and I like to make a bunch of random shit with the things I thrift. And today I'm here with Madison from Identity Crisis.
Hello everyone.
Madison reached out to me on Instagram. We found each other as small YouTube creators and we wanted to meet up at the local Goodwill Bins to do a thrift trip. And I'm super excited to be here with you today.
I know, this is so exciting. It's my first real collab.
I know, same.
So this is really exciting for me.
And I think we're gonna find some really good stuff today. I don't know, I have a good feeling. The weather is beautiful outside. It's a perfect day to thrift. We're gonna share with you some of our favorite tips and tricks for when you're shopping at the Goodwill Bins, because it's definitely a little different than some of your usual thrifting stores. So we like to give some insight. I know it was a very intimidating experience when I first went.
Yes.
The rules are a little different at each store,
It's a
right?
little intimidating.
Yeah,
Sure.
you don't know, and the employees, they're nice. That actually might be my first tip. Ask an employee how it works at the store when you first enter. I think that's probably the easiest way to eliminate a lot of confusion with when they're flipping out the bin. Sometimes you can even get some good info from them. My one friend was able to score some like insider info and
Really?
yeah, like when the best days and times. And I'm like, okay, so that'll be my first tip for today, but we'll be sharing plenty more. Let's just go find some goodies today.
All right, let's go.
Okay, grab your cart and let's get thrifting. My second tip of the day would be to go to the bins earlier in the day. Grab your coffee, get up and go. Later in the day, the bins aren't refreshed as often and the inventory is usually a lot more picked over. So if you can get there before noon, it's usually a lot better selection and you'll have a more fun time picking through everything as opposed to just the dregs that are left at the end of the day. They're heavy though, so they're gonna cost a bit, but I don't know. Maybe? Yeah, we'll stow them. I don't need it, but I want it. Okay, perfect. I know. I don't know. That's what someone said to me. Guys, it's her.
One crisis. I am the only crisis that we need to be having.
Okay, and my next tip of the day is to grab first and look later. This is what you can see Madison and I doing here, where we're going through every item in our cart. We pick up things along the way. If we like it at a first glance, put it in the cart. You'll go through it and do it much more thoroughly later. So we'll check later for any stains, rips. Just make sure that we still like the piece, maybe check the brand, the quality. But we do this all at the very end to maximize the time we have to look through the bins. I don't want this. It's just black. Oh no, I like that though. You could add like an embellishment. See, like this is just a little Forever 21. But I feel like I'd wear this. Like even if I just wear this, yeah. Fight on those A to Z things. This is itchy. If I made this into something, I wouldn't wear it. I'm super weird with that. final cart. Don't know about those. I like them a lot. Or no. It's crazy. Look at you and your... Like any thrift store, the condition of the clothes at the bins definitely varies. You can find some that's in perfectly great condition and some that just aren't. So stay away from anything you aren't comfortable, such as sketchy looking stains or a hole you can't repair. And then my next tip is for when you actually get home from the bins and when you're doing your laundry with any clothes, be sure to add a splash of vinegar, which will work as a disinfectant and a fabric softener in your whole laundry load. Killed two birds with one stone, am I right? I also love using vinegar because it acts as a natural disinfectant as opposed to putting a whole bunch of chemicals for another disinfectant into my laundry load.
I don't know any babies.
It's so cute. Look at your whole thing.
It goes with my
All pink.
pink today.
And you're wearing pink. It's perfect. Okay.
We're back.
We are back. We did 2 trips into the bins, so they make you leave the store when they flip over the bins, and we decided we had enough time, so we wanted to go back in for a second round, and we have some goodies. We wanted to do a little car haul for you guys.
Yes.
So I'll show you a little bit of what I got, and then Madison can show you what she got, because it was really fun thrifting with a friend.
It
So
really is.
I'll actually start off with the piece that Madison found and then gave to me. She said she had something similar. It is just a cute little piece tank top. I'm gonna crop it, and I definitely see myself wearing this a ton
Yeah, and
this
then
summer.
if you fray the edges,
Perfect.
it frays so nicely with
Oh
the
my
material.
gosh. So that was really fun that she picked that up. And then this
I love
is
this.
too good, guys.
I
Look at
love
this
it.
little sweater vest.
And it's so soft.
It is. It's not like an itchy
Yeah,
old
no.
man sweater. Like this was like, this is perfect.
Yes, love that.
I think this was from somebody's put back pile, which is definitely one of my favorite tips for when shopping at the bins. Look for the people who have their carts and that they're putting things back, because this was something that someone else put down, but I was able to find. And in that same pile, I also found this limited 2. Very cute. Again, a little Y2K vibe.
Yeah.
We love that. So that was fun, and I definitely will wear that. And then one last thing were these home pieces. They're heavy, so you know, when getting these at the bins, it's backwards. Whatever. It's an A to Z bookends. They were heavy, so I was a little concerned about how much they would be, but they were only $3. So it's definitely worth it to go to the bins for the prices.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I think they're super cute.
They are really high quality. Like,
Yeah.
they're very heavy.
I like-
to show you just 2 things I picked up. So the first one is actually one that Sarah found for me because she got her vest.
Yes.
So
it
she
was in the
decided-
same put back pile.
Yeah, so she said that she probably wouldn't wear this one, but I
So
literally
cute.
love the black with the cheetah print little trim. I just think that's such a nice little detail.
I love it.
And I am an online seller, just a fun fact about
Yes,
me.
check
So
her out.
I usually will wear something like this, style it, and then maybe wind up selling it. And then I also just picked up this really cool, it's like a Grand Prix racing t-shirt. And I just thought the graphic was really worn in really nicely, and racing t-shirts are always just something I gravitate towards.
Kind of matches
yeah.
my racing hat. I feel
Oh,
like.
yes,
It's
I love
kinda
that
like
hat.
the same vibe.
So-
So be sure to check out both of our videos. Madison also has a video on her channel that's going to be a little bit different from what you guys just saw.
More tips.
More tips and tricks, a little bit different from mine. We collabed on our favorite tips, so definitely check that out and see what else she was able to find at the bins today. And I had so much fun doing this.
I did too.
We will
really.
definitely be doing this again in the future, so let
sure.
us know in the comments down below how you like this collab, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.
Bye.